The editor of the Hindu Patriot, who strongly supported the Indigo movement was A. Hemchandrakar, B. Harish Chandra Mukherjee, C. Deenbandhu Mitra, D. Digambar Bishwas. Ans. B. Who affiliated himself with the English journal Vande Mataram? A. Arbind Ghosh, B. M. G. Ranade, C. S. C. Bose, D. Lokmanya Tilak. Ans. A. Which of the following newspapers used to be published from Patna? A. Indian Nation, B. Punjab Kesari, C. Prabhakar, D. Dawn. Ans. A. The Swadesh Vahini was edited by A. C. V. Raman Pillai, B. C. N. Mudaliar, C. K. Ram Krishna Pillai, D. C. R. Reddy. Ans. C. The English newspaper, Independent, was associated to A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. C. R. Das, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Motilal Nehru. Ans. D. Match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer by using codes given below. List I. List I. Newspaper, language. A. Bharat Mitra 1, Bengali, B. Rashtrmata 2, Gujarati, C. Prajamitra 3, Hindi, D. Nayak 4, Marathi. Code ABCD. A. 1 2 4 3, B. 2 3 1 4, C. 3 4 2 1, D. 4 1 3 2. Ans. C. Match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer by using the codes given below the lists. List I. List 2. Newspaper, founder. A. Dainik Aaj 1, George Allen, B. The Leader 2, Jawaharlal Nehru, C. The National Herald 3, Madan Mohan Malviya, D. The Pioneer 4, Shiv Prasad Gupta. Code ABCD. A. 4 3 2 1, B. 4 1 3 2, C. 2 3 4 1, D. 1 4 2 3. Ans. A. Through which newspaper published from Kanpur, Vijay Singh Pathik made the Bijolia movement the subject of discussion in India? A. Kesari, B. Pratap, C. Maratha, D. Majusha. Ans. B. Harijan was started by A. Tilak, B. Gokhale, C. Gandhiji, D. Nauroji. Ans. C. The first issue of a weekly paper, Harijan, started by Gandhiji was published on February 11, 1933 from which of the following cities? A. Bombay, now Mumbai, B. Ahmedabad, C. Pune, now Pune. D. Nasik. Ans. C. The Marathi fortnightly, Bahishkrit Bharat, was started by A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, B. B. R. Ambedkar, C. V. D. Savarkar, D. Gopal Krishan Gokhale. Ans. B. Underscore 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 was related to Bahishkrit Bharat. A. Atmaram Pandurang, B. Jyotiba Phule, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, D. B. R. Ambedkar. Ans. D. Which one of the following was a journal brought out by Abul Kalam Azad? A. Al-Hilal, B. Comrade, C. The Indian Sociologist, D. Zamindar. Ans. A. Which Urdu newspaper was started by Lajpat Rai from Lahore in 1920? A. Vande Mataram, B. People, C. Tribune, D. Veer Arjun. Ans. A. Match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given below. List I, list 2. Newspapers, editors. A. Hindu 1, Dadabhai Nauroji. B. Sudharak 2, Gopal Krishan Gokhale. C. Voice of India 3, G. Subramania Iyer. D. Bengali 4, Surendranath Banerjee. Code ABCD. A. 1 2 3 4, B. 1 3 2 4, C. 2 3 1 4, D. 3 2 1 4. Ans. D. From the options given below, find the correct combination of the names of editors of the nationalist newspapers The Hindu, Kesari, Bengali, Hindustani, Sudharak. A. Surendranath Banerjee, G. Subramania Iyer, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Ganga Prasad Verma, Gopal Krishan Gokhale. B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, G. Subramania Iyer, Surendranath Banerjee, Ganga Prasad Verma, Gopal Krishan Gokhale. C. G. Subramania Iyer, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Ganga Prasad Verma, Gopal Krishan Gokhale, Surendranath Banerjee. D. G. Subramania Iyer, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Surendranath Banerjee, Ganga Prasad Verma, Gopal Krishan Gokhale. A. None of the above, more than one of the above. Ans. D. Match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. List I, list 2. Newspaper, publisher. A. Bengali 1, Jogendranath Bose. B. Bangbasi 2, Arvind Ghosh. C. Vande Mataram 3, Surendranath Banerjee. D. Amrit Bazar Patrika 4, Motilal Ghosh. Code ABCCD. A. 2 1 3 4, B. 3 1 2 4, C. 3 4 2 1, D. 4 3 2 1. Ans. B. Match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. List I, list I. Newspapers, launcher, publisher. A. Leader 1, Madan Mohan Malviya. B. Bombay Chronicle 2, Firoz Shah Mehta. C. Independent 3, T. M. Nair. D. Justice 4, Motilal Nehru. Code ABCCD. A. 1 2 4 3. B. 4 3 2 1. C. 3 2 1 4. D. 4 1 2 3. Ans. A. Match list I with list 2 and choose the correct answer from the codes given below the lists. List I, list 2. A. Abul Kalam Azad 1, Bombay Chronicle. B. Firoz Shah Mehta 2, Ali Hilal. C. Annie Besant 3, Young India. D. Mahatma Gandhi 4, New India. Code ABCD. A. 2 1 4 3. B. 1 2 3 4. C. 2 1 3 4. D. 3 2 1 4. Ans. A. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Newspaper, founder. A. Al-Hilal Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. B. New India Annie Besant. C. Tazib ul Akhlaq Muhammad Ali Jinnah. D. Samvad Kaumudi Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Ans. C. Given below are the names of freedom fighters and the newspapers started by them. Among these which combination is incorrect? A. Maulana Azad Al-Hilal. B. Lokmanya Tilak Kesari. C. Jawaharlal Nehru National Herald. D. Mahatma Gandhi the Pioneer. Ans. D. Who among the following had launched the paper, Qaumi Awaaz? A. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Shaukat Ali. D. Khaliquzaman. Ans. B. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? A. Navjeevan M. K. Gandhi. B. Swarajya T. Prakasham. C. Prabhat N. C. Kelkar. D. Qaumi Awaaz Abul Kalam Azad. Ans. D. Which of the following pairs is correctly matched? A. Mahatma Gandhi Mook Nayak. B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak Young India. C. Annie Besant Commonwealth. D. B. R. Ambedkar Kesari. Ans. C. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? A. B. R. Ambedkar Independent. B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak Kesari. C. Annie Besant New India. D. Dadabhai Nauroji Rast Goftar. Ans. A.